Hello everyone, today I want to show you our March to April new arrivals. We have two series cutting dies which are both interesting and amazing because they could match many our previous cutting dies. You could make a totally different things with them. If you want to know, just say it. First of all, this is our most popular mini album. You could use our camera dies to make its covers, matching with our new dies, such as the square inside page die, spinning die, 3D pop-up die, and explosion dies. With this, you could make a whole mini album. Now, let's have a look at the details of the album, and we will tell you what dies we have used. First, the rainbow and the yellow square paper are cut by the square inside page cutting dies. And the mini photo frame is from the explosion dies. These three pockets is separated from the square frame, so you could combine them as you like. This big photo frame and dialogue frame are also from the square inside page cutting dies. This is our 3D pop-up dies. It could make your album more three-dimensional. You could stick many kinds of frame on the pop-up base. Here, we use the photo frame from our explosion dies. Of course, you could also use our previous dies, such as heart lace dies, the sewing dies, and this kind of frame. We have an instruction videos to show how to make it. You could check that video. Mini envelope dies is also used here. You could use it as a storage pocket. Inside pages and album covers are combined with our new spine dies. If you do not have the camera dies, it is okay. You could make the album covers yourself. It is very easy. The revolving slider die is also our previous die. It matches this album perfectly, as you see. Our new arrivals are closely related to our previous dies. This is the advantage of our product. Combination will make lots of interesting things. For this camera die, we have made this new die to fit it. It is a square file bag. This die contains the file bag and inside pages. Look at here. You could also cut a window on the file bag, and there is a new binding way itself. Combined with the camera die, you could make it as this style, a file bag storage book. Briefly speaking, you could make this file bag book with the square file bag dies and the camera dies. So until now, there are two new arrivals we could use with the camera die. We have a square one, and of course, we have a rectangle one. Some parts of these two dies could exchange used. Both had inside pages, file bag, spine binding, and the rectangle one is fit our accordion cutting dies. Here is our accordion dies like this. These two dies could have a combination too. How to combine them, we also have uploaded a video. You could see that video to know the detail. For the accordion die, we have made another new die to fit it. Here it is, an inside page with a tag. Used with the spinning die, it is like a planner. You could also make the 3D pop-up in it. Combine them freely as you want. More detailed videos is also uploaded on our channel. Finally, let's make a summarize. First, square file die fit the camera die and the file box die, like this. Second, the file box also has its own binding way, like this. Third, this is the square inside page. You could make a mini album with it. Fourth, the rectangle file fits the accordion cutting dies and the file box die. Also has a binding way itself. Well, this is our new arrivals instructions. Hope you will like them.